So many things we learn about don't deliver as promised. Maybe for you it was a book, video, or a coach's advice that didn't deliver. Today I'm going to unwrap a habit, one that takes only 1 minute done many times a day, that is absolutely guaranteed to help you process difficult emotions, ground you, and leave you feeling more resourceful to take on your daily challenges. What is it? It's relaxing and releasing. It's a simple awareness meditation. Michael Singer, author of The Untethered Life, points to this as the only tool you need for optimal vitality. You can do this during a meeting, at your desk, walking, although I don't recommend you do this while driving. Let's explore how to do it. First, relax into the awareness of being aware. Sure, there are thoughts, emotions, and/or body sensations as well, but right now, release all that and relax into the awareness of being aware. Let those thoughts, emotions, and body sensations be as they are, as you would let a butterfly in your hand stay or go. Again, release these things and relax into the awareness of being aware. Notice 3 things. First, notice the extent to which your energy feels constricted or open. If you notice constriction, give it permission to release into openness. Next, notice if there is fear or anger. Just notice. Don't judge or create a story about what you're noticing. If you notice one of the faces of fear, give it permission to release as you relax into love. And third, notice the level of entropy versus alignment in order. Entropy refers to energy that is chaotic, disordered, random, or lacks alignment. Just give it permission to align to reveal the highest and best outcomes for you as you rest in the knowing that this is already done. Okay, so far we have released emotions and relaxed into the awareness of being aware. We have given permission to constriction, fear, and entropy to release and align with love, with peace, with our highest purpose today. Now just sit with the vibrations that you can notice. And as you do, ask, can I also notice peace? Let your focus shift to peace. Ask, can I also notice alignment with the highest purposes of the universe? Let your focus shift there. Now let your focus move to your goals, your valued outcomes. Rest in the knowing that they're done with excellence. Release your goals and your valued outcomes, knowing that they are already done. Allow a smile to shine through your being, the type of smile that comes to your face when you accomplish a goal. That's the 1-minute awareness meditation. Let's review. First, relax into the awareness of being aware. Release emotions, thoughts, and sensations. Then notice constriction, fear, or chaos, and give them permission to release and relax into wholeness. Don't push away any emotions, but allow them to be as they are. And start to notice if you can also sense peace, your authentic power to create your highest desires. Let your focus shift there. Good. The final leg is to bring your goals and valued outcomes to the forefront and know that they are done with excellence. Let the smile of knowing it is done shine through your being. As you shift back to your work, see what you do as an offering to the part of the universe that is accomplishing your highest desires. Your offering is excellence, what you can control, but let your offering be in joy, love, and surrender, because constriction means that you're trying to accomplish your goals in your power, rather than in alignment with higher powers. So, relax, release, notice what's there, then focus on more resourceful vibrations, and know your valued goals is already done. Don't be surprised when you hit walls only to see those walls dissolved by a power you may not understand but align with. That's the power of taking 1 minute to relax into the awareness of being aware, allowing the energies to be as they are, then focusing on your intent. Do this many times a day. Check in, shift, and come into alignment with the higher vibrations of the universe available to you. Okay, my friends, thanks for joining us today at the Change Capability Institute.